Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Android phone is blocking you from deleting a file or folder and displaying a no permission to delete or access denied error, it is usually caused by Android's strict scoped storage security, a read-only SD card glitch, or a file manager lacking system privileges. I will show you exactly how to override these permissions and delete the file right now. Let's get started. First, if you are using a third-party file manager or trying to delete something inside the Android Data or OBB folder, newer Android operating systems actively restrict direct access to these directories due to scoped storage changes. Here is how to bypass this restriction. Open your phone's main Settings app and navigate to Apps, then select Special App Access. Tap on the menu explicitly labeled All Files Access. Scroll down until you find the specific file manager application you are using. Turn the toggle switch completely on to declare and grant the Manage External Storage permission. This grants the app the high-level system privileges required to bypass scoped storage and delete stubborn files. Next, if the file you are trying to delete is located on a physical micro SD card, the card's file system might have temporarily locked itself into a read-only state due to default permissions. To modify this read-only status and unlock the drive, you must unmount the SD card. Here is exactly how to do it. Open your main Settings app and tap on Storage or Device Care. Find the section for your external SD card and tap the three-dot menu icon next to it. Select Unmount and wait 5 seconds for the card to safely disconnect. Tap Mount to reconnect it, which forces the Android system to rebuild the read and write permissions from scratch, instantly unlocking the files. Finally, if you still do not have permission to delete a basic photo or downloaded document, your default File Explorer app likely has a bug or a corrupted internal cache that is falsely flagging the file as in use. Here's how to refresh it. Open your Settings app, tap on Apps, and locate your default My Files or Files by Google application. Tap on the app to open its info page and select Storage and Cache. Hit the Clear Cache button. Restart your phone so the app can properly read the file's ownership data, allowing you to delete it permanently. Alternatively, you can safely install another free File Explorer from the Google Play Store to bypass the default app's bug completely. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.